Hi everybody, welcome back to Eli's Imagination Station. And today we are doing another repair video, if you couldn't tell by the setup and the title. We're doing a repair on the Worlds of Wonder Mickey. We just got done with the Teddy Ruxpin repair, finally, a couple of days ago. And I do have Mickey's clothes. I just took them off because we're doing a repair. We kind of customized his pants and put Velcro on there because the elastic in there is not working anymore. And I want to fix his shirt because it's kind of like stringing a lot. And his pants somewhere had a little hole in them, I think. But yeah, we have the Impossible Journey book and the Impossible Journey tape. I do not have the Goofy for the Mickey, but I have plugged a Grubby into the Mickey, and the Grubby was working, but all it did was make the Mickey's sound quieter. Grubby wasn't doing anything. And he's going really, really slow and none of his movements are working. Sometimes when I turn him on, sometimes his eyelids will twitch or his upper jaw will twitch a little bit. So I'm thinking he's just going a little too slow for the signals to the motors to pick up the signals. Here's Daddy, our repairman. So in order to get him working, you just, I want to show him how it works really quick first.
Oh, okay.
There should be a little battery card in there that shows which way the batteries go in.
Yeah.
He takes 4 C batteries, alkaline batteries recommended, and then we have the Impossible Journey tape, which is the one that comes with him in the box. It'll probably take him a minute because it's at the very, very beginning of it. There he goes.
It's really slow.
So today we'll be replacing the rubber band.
It's a band, Mickey, and they're playing your song.
It's quiet and it goes a little bit too slow. He goes too slow.
Yeah, way too slow.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, by the way, compared to Teddy and Grubby, this thing is huge. Like, I thought that all of the other characters, like the Mickey and the Goofy and the Snoopy, would be like the same size as Teddy and Grubby. I'm guessing this is because Teddy and Grubby were the Worlds of Wonder's first toys they ever made. And because like for the tape player characters, they're the smallest ones. Except for like Mother Goose's secondary character, Hector. And Hector's a little small character, and yet he still is pretty big compared to Teddy and Grubby.
Yeah, looks like it's gonna come out.
And today we're going to try and replace the rubber band in the tape deck.
Yeah, it's probably just stretched out.
Mm-hmm.
I'm hoping that's all it is.
Mm-hmm. I'm thinking every time I listen to it, the more and more I think he has some sort of a short.
Short.
Mm-hmm.
He's actually pretty tall for a mouse. He's not short at all.
My name is Mickey Mouse. And this is my friend Goofy. Say hello, Goofy. Hello, Goofy. And I noticed Goofy and Grubby sound pretty similar.
Yeah, it's probably the same person doing the voice for both.
No,
You don't think?
I know it is.
Oh, you know it's not?
I don't know. I don't remember what the name of the World's Wonder Goofy's voice actor was. But I'm pretty sure the voice of Grubby is Will Ryan, I think. Or actually, I think that might have been the voice of Teddy.
Mm-hmm. Alright, let's see if this will. Is that all it is to come out? Yeah, it came out. Well, that's good. There's the insides of them.
Looks pretty similar to the Teddy Ruxpin. It's just the plastic is red.
Yeah, instead of a
Brown.
kind of an orangish brown, yeah.
Yeah, on the Teddy Ruxpin, it's made to kind of match the color of his fur.
Yeah.
And then on Mickey, I'm guessing it's matching his pants, I'm thinking.
Alright, so to get to that rubber band, where are we going to have to get into? Hopefully, it's right there.
I think first we might have to unscrew the circuit board.
Yeah, we might, but I'm trying to see if maybe we won't. Unless we got unscrewed, unless we got to screw back in.
But yeah, I got this guy off of eBay. It was a pretty good deal. He was for a while before we got any of my other Worlds of Wonder characters working, for a while, Mickey was my best working Worlds of Wonder. But now I have 2 fully working Teddy Ruxpins and 2 fully working Grubbies.
Yeah.
A fully working Gabby Bear. Well, we don't have a way to play that one because it's missing its battery cover and we haven't gotten the cord for it yet.
Alright.
We did test it and it does work. We made a little custom battery cover, but that was just to test it before we got a cord.
I'm not going to unplug any of the connectors. I'm just going to take this board off.
Will we be able to not take any of the connectors off?
We'll just leave them all on. We'll just take the screws out of the board. Just got to find them all.
And these Worlds of Wonder characters have giant speakers. Hopefully we never come across one that has a broken speaker because we don't have speaker replacements that are that big.
Didn't we replace one speaker? Didn't we have one in there that we used in our spare parts store? I thought we had a big speaker.
Oh yeah. It might be the same size as the...
It's pretty close, I bet. Well, he's big. He takes up a lot of the whole table.
Yeah, the Mickey's huge. I don't have the Goofy to go along with the Mickey.
Nope. What else?
I know this is kind of confusing and weird. Honestly, kind of weird to think about. But, like, the Worlds featured Snoopy and
Take a couple of them.
Charlie Brown, but Charlie wasn't ever made. Because he went bankrupt. But like all of the other tape playing characters that Worlds of Wonder has made, even though it's from the same brand as Teddy Ruxpin, they're all knockoffs.
Yeah.
Like the Mickey and Goofy.
Yeah, I am gonna have to take a picture real quick. Just
Because Teddy Ruxpin and Grubby wasn't Worlds of Wonder's idea.
oh, wasn't it?
I don't remember the exact person that came up with the idea of making a storytelling bear. Yes, Teddy Ruxpin was originally going to be a bear.
Was it Winnie the Pooh
No,
or Smokey the Bear?
Smokey the Bear. Who's that? It sounds familiar, but I don't
Smokey
know.
the Bear. He's the one that says only you can prevent forest fires.
Huh?
He was a bear. He was like a park ranger, and he would talk about preventing forest fires, so you wouldn't have fires in the forest. He was very popular when I was a kid. He didn't really have a show. He was a safety type thing. He'd have it at the schools and stuff. Ooh, that one's gonna be hard to get out. All right, this one should come out pretty good.
But yeah,
Should.
Worlds of Wonder was the first people to actually make the idea of a storytelling bear. And they just...
You all right?
Huh?
I said, are you all right?
Talking to me or mommy?
Talking to you. Why would I be talking to mommy? You're not even sitting right here.
Why wouldn't I be alright?
Oh, you're making a weird noise. Like something's wrong with your throat.
You just got something up in there, so
Mhm.
I'm doing that.
Okay. Okay, that one's kind of out. Yeah, see, I do have to take a bunch of
But yeah, the idea of the storytelling talking bear toy is from, I don't remember who it was, but it wasn't from Worlds of Wonder. They were the ones that like made the toy, and, like made the character and like the story, but the like idea of it didn't originally come from that.
Is that the last one? No?
It seems to look like you're having a hard time there.
No, I just have to take them all apart. I do have to pull the wires out, because a bunch of the wires are hooked to the tape deck and the board, so I gotta take all of those out.
Well, so we'll have to size them back?
Oh, they're connectors. I just gotta pop the connectors off.
I'm glad that these...
But they're very tight together.
Mm-hmm. I am glad that they have little...
Still connected. My goodness.
Yeah, it's connected from the volume knob.
Yeah.
That's cool. Volume knob / on and off switch.
Yeah. On Teddy, that was up here.
Oh, yeah. Huh. Well, they aren't the exact same toy.
No, they definitely are not.
They're just the same concept. Oh,
What? What?
I wasn't sure if the metal next to like the wires
There's no battery in there,
lower
so it's fine.
was gonna do anything.
No.
Okay.
Wow, they jammed all the wires in between components. Just not smart. Okay. That one out.
Ouch.
I felt that one.
Yeah.
Stabbed my foot on the way down.
Ouch. Why am I not just picking it up with my hands? I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
I'm picking it up with my feet for some reason. This is the phone case to you guys.
That one really don't want to come out. Come on. My goodness,
It's a
that
little
was.
bit quiet all of a sudden.
Huh? You're talking away. I'm doing the same thing I always do.
Exactly. I haven't been talking for a hot minute.
A hot minute? How long is that? Is that the same as a normal minute? There. Finally. Alright, so there he is. And there's the top of the board with all the...
Yeah, that's the circuit board. And should we show them the actual tape deck?
Yep. That's the inside of the tape deck that we gotta get to, and right here is the big part of the wheel where the band is that we gotta replace.
Do we have a rubber band to put in?
Yeah, we got a whole bunch of them. See how loose this one is. Oh yeah, that's really loose. Look at that.
Oh my god, that is loose.
I'm just hoping there's enough space in here to get this one off. Getting this one off will be easier than putting the new one on. I'm about to find out how much. We'll go all that way. Go over top.
Lululala. Hala madina wahoy. Where are your glasses? There. Daddy found his glasses. Yay! Yay!
See if it'll come off this way.
I'll be right back, guys.
Okay.
I'm gonna check for deer.
Okay, that part come out. There, got that one out. Are there any out there? Okay.
Nope.
I'm gonna go get a rubber band.
No deer out there.
I'm shining that right in their faces.
It'll have to be just the perfect size, because last time when we replaced the rubber band to Teddy, it was still a tiny bit too big.
Yeah, probably.
Because it
We'll
was,
see what we got here.
because the one that we repaired not too long ago is still a little bit,
A little bit loose, you think?
well, it's a little bit slow.
Oh, I think that's just maybe because he's old. I'm slow. That's because I'm old.
Maybe we just need to replace the rubber band in your tape deck.
Yep. If figure out how to do that, you let me know.
Where exactly is your tape deck?
I don't know.
Maybe it's sewn inside. I know you have something electrical in your back.
Yeah, it's my stimulator.
Yeah, you have some wires up in there.
Yeah, maybe I'll use this thick one.
Something on your shirt. I don't know what it is.
Maybe we'll use this one.
That one?
Last time we used one like this. They're about saying this one's thicker, so it should be a little bit, make it tighter.
Yes.
Keep one of those out just in case.
Oh, Mom.
Watch Mama. Mama's over there.
That ain't Mama, that's Mom.
Yep.
And your daddy.
Yep. Alright. Let's see.
You almost used the wrong one. Well, actually, we'll see if this one goes.
This is going to be the fun part.
Actually, I think this is going to be the hard part. Don't you think?
Yes. That was sarcasm.
I know. That was sarcasm too. From honey.
Stop flicking.
It's flicking.
Yeah, a little bit.
No.
You ready for bed? We'll finish tomorrow.
No. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. We can continue this. And then I'll go to bed.
Like the second we're done.
Let's see. I'm going to go to bed in July of 2029. July 26th of 2029.
You'll go to bed that day too, I'm sure.
That's a very specific date.
Yeah, but you're going to go to bed many, many days between now and then.
Somebody watching the video comment July 26, 2029. One of the weird random comments. But we'll see if you made it this far into the video. We'll also see if you listen. Because last time I didn't see anybody commenting Shrock the purple popsicle stick.
Is that what they were supposed to do?
The first video we had the comments on.
Shrock the purple popsicle stick?
No, Shrock the purple popsicle stick.
Purple?
Purple.
Oh, okay. What's purple? Thought something was wrong.
I'm singing the intro song from The Lion King.
Oh, I thought you were just yelling. This is much harder to get around when the tape deck is still together, but keeps flicking. The flicking light's making it hard to focus. Is it still flicking?
I haven't seen it flicking
Okay.
at all today.
Oh, it's been flicking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's not now.
Now I can see
And
a
the
couple of
cord's all
white
messed
rings
up.
when I close my eyes. Because I've stared at that magnifying glass too long. Now I can see green onions.
green onion rings.
And now I see 3 of them forming the shape of a mouse. Huh, that's very convenient. After all, we are repairing on a Mickey Mouse. There's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Come inside, come inside.
I can't get the motor off unless I take that out.
It's the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Yeah.
It's the talking Mickey Mouse show.
I don't know, bud. Just can't seem to get it far enough in there where I can get a hold of it. There's nowhere to grab from this end. Oh, I know what I can do.
What can you do?
I'm gonna take these 2 little screws out.
Ooh.
That's what holds the motor in.
Can you give me
These are going to be extremely hard to put back in.
Can you give me some of that knowledge in that smart noggin of yours?
Nope. I can barely remember it myself, but sorry.
Okie dokie. I tried.
There we go.
There. The motor to the tape deck is now been removed. Oh yeah.
Those screws are still in there, so I gotta be real careful. My eyes are getting so bad I can't see what I'm doing.
Why don't you just take the screws out?
Because they're really hard to get back in, because they're in a hole. See, they're way down in those holes. I remember that from the Teddy. I'm gonna try and keep them in if I can. If I can't, I will take them out. There we go. Oh, I had it. Because it's a rubber band, when I lost grip of it, it snapped back. And all of that finagling to get it where I kind of wanted it was lost.
Finagling?
Finagling, yep. Or tinkering, whatever you want to call it.
Daddy has invented a new word.
Finagling is not a new word.
Finagling is a real word?
Yep.
Really?
Oh, now that end came off. Dang it. Alright, but anyway, then I have this. Oh, jeez.
Uh-oh.
Where'd the motor go?
Right there.
This is the harder end to get it on. Now that it came off of that end, it's not going to stay on this end.
Daddy's getting frustrated.
It doesn't take long to get frustrated with these toys, bud.
But they're just so friendly and
what is your experience with your toys? What do you do with your toys?
I play with them every once in a while, and then when I'm done with them, I carefully place them in a bin or on a shelf.
Yeah, and what do I do with your toys?
You play Candyland with them.
No, I fix them.
Minions.
What? You don't make sense a lot of times, right? I have to fix them and you get to play with them. That's why you don't get frustrated with them, and I do sometimes. Because they're much harder to fix than to play with.
I know. I repaired a couple of them before, remember?
You want to fix this one?
No.
Sure.
I'll leave this one to him.
Okay. I got this side back on. Now, can I get a hold of this side?
It's the Donald Duck Clubhouse.
That was only one episode.
You remember that episode?
I do. Somebody used to watch that show every day. Oh, it's falling off already, and I ain't even got all of it. This is why I had to take the tape deck out of the last one, of the Teddy Ruxpin. Because you can't replace this belt, I don't think, without doing that. At least not easily. Definitely does not want to cooperate.
Can I try?
No, but if I can't get it to work, I'm going to have to use a smaller rubber band. As soon as I get a hold of it on this end, it pulls it off that pulley. There, I got it. Come on. Stay on there. It's on that end. There we go. Still on.
It's still on?
Yeah. Now I gotta get it on this one. And then I gotta get it to stay on while I try. I was gonna say while I screw it in, but I didn't even get a chance to screw it in. It popped right off. Maybe because it's just too big. It's just not gonna work. Once it's stretched, yeah, that one's just not gonna work. And I have to go with the skinnier one. Worth a try.
At least we kept. I cannot speak. At least we kept one of the skinny ones out.
Yeah.
M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E. Hey, that's my name, Mickey Mouse. M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse.
Now I gotta get this one out.
It is your song. Come along and sing the song and join the jamboree. M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E.
Got that one out.
Now we gotta get that one in.
Yep.
What's whistling?
I have no idea.
Oh, that scared me. What's that mean?
Must be bedtime.
No, it's only 7:25. And remember, I'm going to bed on July 26th of 2029.
Yeah. Go to bed that night too, yeah?
That'll be the next time I go to sleep. For now, I'll have to drink a lot of coffee.
Coffee. You like coffee?
No.
Have you ever had coffee?
Yes.
Oh, you have?
Yes. You're too bitter. It needs a lot of sugar. A lot. Oh, they do have gears on them. I didn't know that the...
Don't come off.
Hold on.
Dang it.
I'm going to bring back the 32 outside now.
Oh, what?
Out there.
Is there?
Yep.
Well, yeah, this time of night there usually is.
There's a deer outside.
Okay. Get a little bit. Let's see. Almost right there.
Sheep.
There. I got you.
Let me see how long the video's been.
I think it's been since we started it.
Obviously, it's been 39 minutes long.
Mm-hmm.
Most of the video just being trying to put a new rubber band in there.
Well, yeah, because that's the primary part of our repair. This
Yeah.
guy.
Did you get it?
I just gotta get it to line up with one of the holes. Yeah, okay, that one started. This one. This one will line up with the hole. There we go. That one's tight. That's tight. Okay, hopefully that's
You get it?
turned long enough to where it's still gonna reach.
We're gonna put it all back in now.
Yeah, we gotta plug it all back in.
I really hope that. Well, it'll make the sound work, hopefully. It'll
Yeah.
make the sound better, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
But I'm hoping at least one of his facial movements works.
Mm-hmm. Put him on his side.
I'm thinking at least his upper jaw will move and his eyes will go. Because they kind of twitch whenever I turn them on.
They do.
On every once in a while.
Make sure that this stuff's gonna be long enough.
Here's your phone so you can check the pictures to see
Where the wire's gonna go. I like the way they have these twisted up. Does this one come out? They really twisted the wires up. It makes it much tighter than it needs to be. So take this one out right here. The corner. I'm going to untwist it around everything and put it right back where it goes. A little bit more slack on that one.
It looks like from here, all of the components look like a little miniature town.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a bunch of buildings and cities and factories.
Where'd it go? He's so big. He gets in the way of himself.
He gets in the way of his insides.
He does. I just think it's worlds of wonder. They make their toys very hard to work on.
Well, you see, the thing is that they don't think about people taking it apart to fix.
Yeah, that's probably true. Okay. Alright, now we'll take a look at the picture.
Yes.
See where everything's supposed to go. Okay, so where's our... We are right like this. So this one there, this one goes here.
Whoa.
What?
Sorry, guys. I almost fell backwards.
Oh, okay. Which one goes? Now it's on the floor.
Now it's on the floor.
Mm.
Now it's on the floor. Now it's
There's your red and black one. Oh, wait a minute, where's this one go? This one's got 3. So it has to go here. And we got, there's the red and black one.
any wrong plug-in, and when we turn it on, it'll all mess
Yeah.
So we
Red and black one
really
goes right
don't want
there.
that. We really
No, we don't.
We please don't want that.
Orange and yellow. That's red and black. Oh, orange and yellow goes right here. Get this last one to go in. What's wrong with this one? Oh, that's what there's something down there. There it goes.
Okay, guys, I'm just going to go to the clothes store really quick. I'll be right back.
Clothes store. What are you talking about?
What do you guys think of my brand new hat?
Did you get a new hat?
Yep, my froggy hat. Isn't it beautiful?
You say so.
Ain't it gorgeous? Oh, we're gonna test it?
Yeah.
First, we'll have to get that all back up in there
Mm-hmm.
in order to,
Yeah, otherwise the batteries won't hold in.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Going in nice and gently. There we go. I can just hold them together if you want. If you want to test them real quick.
You got the batteries in the right way?
Yes.
Put the tape in first.
Alright. Go ahead.
Listen. M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U.
That didn't do anything. Why didn't that do anything?
Well, we know the belt's not slipping no more.
Oh,
Oh, that wasn't good.
oh, his mouth is moving.
It is your fault.
Oh, he's fully working already. Oh my god, his face is moving.
I just wasn't squeezing them tight.
Oh my god, his mouth is moving, and his eyes are
Let me screw them back together.
His eyes are kind of trying to move.
Let me put the screws back in.
Well, we know we won't have to fix any of the movements.
Yeah.
He's still going too slow, though.
Yeah, he is.
I'm thinking maybe he did have some sort of a short.
I looked. I didn't see any like bare wires or nothing. I looked at all of that before I pulled anything off.
Yeah.
Let me see once I get them screwed in nice and tight, maybe I was happening to squeeze it together.
Mickey's sleeping. We'll have fun. We'll make new faces. We'll do things. And we'll go places. Oh, boy, Nick. I can hardly wait to go. Well, it won't be long now. Come on, everybody, join in. Everybody, K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E. Well, replacing the rubber band clearly did something, because all of his face movements were
Well, that other one was very, very loose. I could tell Yes, it was not.
Oh my god, yeah, it is loose.
When it was on both the pulleys, it was very, very, very loose.
It was.
Worse than what that Teddy Ruxpin one was. There. Now let's try him.
We'll have fun. We'll meet new faces.
Now he's not moving again.
Do things.
And we'll go places.
Oh boy, Nick, I can hardly wait to go.
Okay, Goofy, it won't be long now.
Come on, everybody, join in.
He was just fully working.
MICKEYMOUSE.
Well, I
He
guess
was
you know
fully
by
working.
now that my name is Mickey Mouse. And this is my
Yeah,
friend
kind
Goofy.
of move his movements.
Say hello, Goofy.
Hello, Goofy. I
You
mean,
got a lot,
hello
a lot
there,
louder.
everybody.
You know,
Yeah,
Goofy
it
and
sounds
I
a lot
travel
better now.
all over the world together. And sometimes we take a friend. Would you like to come along?
You would?
It's still a
Hey,
little slow.
that's great.
You know it's time to turn the page whenever you hear the chimes
Everybody
ring.
moves.
Like
Okay.
this.
Oh, what was that?
Are you ready? Let's
Maybe it
turn
was too
to the
tight.
first page.
Maybe.
Here we go.
One of our most exciting trips started the day Goofy helped me build a
No?
doghouse for Pluto.
Nothing. I wonder if the wire too is
You
the.
could say it started off with a bang.
Well, his mouth tried.
Now,
Both of his mouth movements moved when you turned them on.
Be careful with that powder, Goofy. We're almost
There
done.
we go.
if I
Here,
keep
let's let him
this
sit
up,
there.
my hand
Yeah,
will be almost
his eyes are
done.
kind of having
You
a
know,
little
Goofy,
bit of trouble
I have the
blinking.
strangest feeling we forgot
Let's just
something.
let him
Yeah.
sit there
A
and
first
let them
aid
kind of
kit.
fix
No,
themselves.
I
His
mean
nose is
part of the
moving.
doghouse.
Oh,
Oh
his.
well, I guess I'm just imagining things.
I wonder if it's the cassette tape. I wonder if it's something wrong with the tape.
Go grab one of the Teddy
I
Ruxpin
guess
tapes.
that just leaves
Though
the
I've put
wolf.
it in, I put this in Teddy and it's
Step
worked
inside the
fine, so
doghouse.
it can't be the
I'll
tape.
hand you the
We
room.
could go back. Go grab one of the Teddy Ruxpin ones.
Got it.
We'll try it.
Okay. Okay.
Pretty soon, all that was
You
left
stopped
of the
moving
doghouse
again.
was a
Yeah.
pile of cords.
Let's try a different tape.
Just gotta take it out of the box really quick.
Okay.
This one's the Woolly What's It. Woolly What's It. All of his movements are. We know none of the motors are gone bad.
Yeah, because they're moving. I think it might just be they're stuck. But
They might be. But, like, for a second, it's working fine, and then the next it, like, stops. I'll turn it up a little more. It'll take it a second.
mm-hmm.
It's gotta get through the blue zone of the tape.
Come dream with me tonight.
Yes.
Yeah, you can hear the phase.
Hi there.
What's
Do you know me? Uh-huh.
what's
My
the
name
looping?
is Teddy
No.
That's the
Ruxpin.
cues for the
And
movements.
I think you also know what story I'd like to tell, don't you? That's right. A story about the woolly what's-it.
Yeah, that's the tape we put in you, Mickey.
One day, Grubby and Newton Gimmick and I
Mickey,
flying
I
in
mean
Gimmick's
Teddy,
airship.
has
We
stole
were near
Mickey's
the
body.
woolly what's-its house, so we decided to pay him a
It's
visit.
still not working,
I
huh? Oh, we'll try it.
It definitely has improved though,
Yeah.
because the movements are actually trying to work now.
Right in the middle,
Oh,
licking
his
Goofy's
upper jaw
face.
and his eyes moved a little bit.
Gosh.
Just then, I heard a voice behind me. It was our mailman, Donald Duck.
Donald Duck's the mailman?
I thought Donald was a sailor.
Hey, Udo, don't bark at Donald. He's our
There's a
friend.
sailor's suit.
Yeah, he does.
You should do something about that dog of yours. Say, why don't you use this spider bullets to build him a doghouse?
A doghouse.
He was moving for a
Gee,
second.
thanks for the idea.
You're welcome.
And then another, and then
See
another.
you tomorrow.
Oh, I saw his
Say,
upper arm a
Mick,
little bit.
what's this package he left?
It's from Dr. Stan Livingstone, and it came all the way from Africa.
Africa? Wow, that's pretty far away, isn't it, Mick?
It sure is, Goofy. Thousands of miles.
Oh, look, there's a tag on the package.
It says not to open except in an emergency. I guess we better do as it says.
Oh,
I wrote a letter to Stan to tell him we'd received his package.
Well,
I hear beeping.
Then Goofy and I headed for the post office to mail it.
Say, Mick,
Here's a
who's
little.
this Dr. Livingstone?
Stan's the world's
He's not
greatest
supposed to do that.
explorer. He's
Oh,
in
no.
Africa looking for the legendary bottomless
well, we
lake.
got it going
People
faster.
have been searching for it, but
We'll have to
none
do a
of
part
them
two.
ever returned.
Work on the movements.
Why can you turn it off? I don't think it's supposed to be doing that.
That's just the sound it's making. Alright, we'll do a part two then.
You know, we got him fully working for a little bit, and then
Yeah,
another
a couple
little bit.
seconds. Yeah.
Well, he started moving a couple of times.
Yeah, when I was just holding them together, so maybe I'll take them apart. And maybe there is a wire that's not quite right.
Yeah.
Because when I was holding them with my hands, he was working.
I can tell it does have some sort of a short though.
Alright, we'll come in tomorrow.
Cause something in there, cause he is not supposed to make those beeping noises.
Yeah.
Usually something like that means it has a short. Is that it for this video?
I think so.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you on part 2, guys.